And I'm so grateful for YouTube. YouTube is a life-changing, yeah. YouTube is a life-changing. Even though it's not much, but it's a life-changing.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Hello guys. If you are new here, my name is MK's Arena. Please, when you come, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. On this video, I'm going to reveal how my YouTube paid me as a new YouTuber, which I just started. Yes, as a new YouTuber. Yes, I'm going to reveal that. So before you'll be able to monetize, you have to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watching hours. Yes, before you can fully be monetized. In case you don't know, you have to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watching hours. So I got monetized in October. So October, November, this is the money I got from YouTube. Okay, October, November, this is the money I'm getting from YouTube. It's not that much, but I'm grateful. Yes. How much you earn on YouTube based on couple of things, either the CPM, how YouTube advertisers are paying you on each 1K you get, and RPM, how you will get on the entire video. Okay, every video has their own way you will get. Okay, so it's either CPM or RPM. CPM is about the 1K subscribers you will get, the advertisers, how they are going to pay, and the RPM is the video you put out there, how much you are going to earn from that after YouTube taking their share. YouTube takes 45% of how much you get from your entire video, then you get 55%. Actually, your money that you will get depends on also where people are watching you from. Okay, let's say if you are in Nigeria and only Nigerian watching you, it's good. It's not like it's not good, it's good, but you know the amount that you are going to get, the currency will be low. If you are from Ghana, any other African country, and that is only that place people are watching you from, your amount that you are going to get, it will be low. But someone who is from maybe Ghana and her views or his views are from European country, like from US, UK, that person is going to earn much. So it depends on where people are with you. But with other countries, where you will get much paid is US pay, like they pay per my analytics. US are watching me, UK are watching me, and Nigeria, I think Ghana, yeah, I've forgotten the other one. Yeah, so that is how it is. Okay, if we have two people, okay, and one is from Nigeria but getting high views from Nigeria, yeah, you will get paid. But the one who is in Nigeria but the support is from UK or US, let me see, use for example, that person is going to earn much more than you because their rate is much higher than the African countries. I hope you get this. So guys, ignore the background noise, okay? So please ignore the background sound. So I'll go straight with you and share my screen, what the message I got from YouTube after, you know, they want to pay me, the message that I got, and also the revenue I got from it. I will share my screen with you so that you will be encouraged. Yes, you will be encouraged, guys. Be encouraged. Don't be intimidated. YouTube pays. Just post your video for people to watch and they pay you. You won't work, you won't cut anything. You like, the only strength you will be losing is, you know, encouraging yourself to put that video out there. Okay, so I encourage someone to just post the video you think it's not gonna work. Just post it. Yes, even this video I'm doing, the sound, the background sound is there, but I feel like what I'm saying is the important thing, so let me post, because you know, families and other stuff, yeah, we don't even have time. So that is that. Okay,
so guys, again, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to with you the messages they send me first. So this is the first message they send, that verify your account, and they updated the payment method. After that, I recovered my account, and there my account was being verified. So after verification, they just got my tax informations and everything, and they just paid to my account. They said check your recent payment, and this is what YouTube paid me. Guys, fine. Some might say it's not all that big money or something, but I just started YouTube and I'm getting this from YouTube, isn't it? Just check out. This is what I got. This is what I got. So, guys, I revealed to you today how much YouTube paid me with that small views, and so I encourage you to.
So guys, let me share my screen with you guys. Okay, so this is my screen and let's see how it goes. So this is how much I got. Estimated revenue is $223.86 okay, and on November I got $226.50 US, and October I got $115.15 US. Okay, this is what I got. Okay, I've not been paid with the November but the October on. So video performance, okay, I got $27.45 and short fees I got 0.28. Live performance, guys, I got 196.13. If you want me to show you how to earn from live, let me know. So with the live super thanks is also part. It's all when you post and people go on monetization watch, okay? Before they all sum up to this money. So this is the exact money I got on October. I've not been paid in November yet. October I just got 88.66 less after deducting. Yeah, I got 100 and something, if you remember I said it. And now when they deducted the tax and everything, I got 88. So I'm waiting for the rest. Thank you all for your time.
No need to rush.